right, I'm here with Eric. Thank you, sir. Happy, what is it, Wednesday? I don't know.
Yeah.
Wednesday to you, sir? All right. So, this was, I would say, one of my funnest ones I've ever done. Because it was really bad, but it was really even across the whole light. And the transformation, I think, was amazing. I think your dad's going to be very impressed, and he's just going to be blown away when he drives this at night. So, you've already seen what I can do to your other car,
yeah.
And now it's this one's turn. So, Eric, are you ready to see your headlight fixer-upper?
Let's see it.
Okay. Ready to see your new headlights?
Let's go ahead and see
I mean,
it.
your dad's new headlights?
Let's
one,
see it.
one of those two? Okay, let's do this.
Ooh, that's a big difference.
Big time.
That's big difference. They sort of look like new to me.
Yeah, exactly. No, I really enjoy this one.
That's a big
I don't
difference.
pat myself on the back very often, but I smack this one out of the park.
It looks so clear.
Yeah, big time.
It's perfect.
Yeah, they're very easy. I mean, from a procedure standpoint.
Yeah.
So what I'm going to do is put the coating on. Because obviously we had to take that off to, you know, to get all the stuff, the residue and oxidation off had to come off, obviously. So they're polished all the way down. And the coating cures in 24 hours, and it will be dry, you know, within a few minutes. So if you need to drive somewhere, you can.
Yeah.
So
Oh, he's gonna love it.
yeah, definitely. So after I do that, I will clean up, and I think we'll be good to go. But I think there's one other test that we have to make on it.
Yep.
So I'm going to stop this briefly. This is an unusual test for me because he's actually got some brand new headlights for this particular make and model, and we're going to compare those to see exactly how close I got on this one. I appreciate you doing this. So I'm not expecting 100%. Now, how old is this truck? This is a Nissan Frontier.
This is 2006.
So, easily over a decade old. Not dead on, but
Close though.
darn close.
Yeah.
All right, let's see what the other one is. Oh, you might. Okay. All right. Because these have been yellow for a while.
Yeah. Ever since we got them, they've been like that.
Yeah, and these are obviously the original lights. So, I mean, you're not going to beat brand new, but you know, we got a lot of sun glare here. But let's see. Pretty close.
Perfect.
I'd say within what, 10% maybe.
Yeah.
Sweet. All right, well, I'm going to sign off, and so I can wrap this baby up.